Hello and welcome. I am calling this a in the post video. It's going to cover 2 or 3 things I've got in the post just recently that I would like to show you. So, the first of those is that I managed to get off a friend of mine and fellow coin tuber this. Now, I think we've probably all seen this coin many times before, just recently. This came out of a circulating bag from the post office, I believe, and I purchased 4 coins from this gentleman. His name is, oh hang on, let's get that right, get that in there. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. Now, I got these coins for one very good reason. I believe these coins are going to be quite sought after as circulating coins. I believe the initial amount of these coins is going to be about 1.5 million. They'll then look at possibly putting other coins of this particular mint, of this particular release into circulation later on. But initially it's only, I believe it's going to be 1.25 million or 1.5 million. The gentleman I got them from is a well-known coin tuber by the name Bo Selector. So my thanks to Bo for those 4 coins. He sold them me. They're out of a circulating bag, and without him I wouldn't have been able to get those 4. I got them, or I ordered them off him, and 2 of my friends found them, and I've already shown those in videos. The second one I got is this square one, this square coin. It's a George VI coin, and it's square with rounded corners. It is from India. Is it India? I lie. It isn't India. I thought it was the 1 anna. It isn't. It is the 1 cent, and it is from the Republic of Malaysia. So we've got a square coin in essence, but each of the square corners are actually rounded off. It's a 1 cent coin. It's very similar to one, as I said, that was available as a 1 anna from India, and I also believe there was a Sri Lankan or Ceylon coin, as it was at that time, with exactly the same shape. So it was a popular shape in the time that this coin was minted, and this coin says it's George VI, King Emperor. The date of the coin is 1945. So this would have been just before Malaysia, Cyprus, India got their independence, which is why he was known as King Emperor at that time. This one cost me a few pennies. I think it was a couple of quid, not very much at all, but it's still a nice coin to have in my collection. I then saw this and on a group chat in Facebook, and I managed to find one on eBay. It is a token. It's a token that was issued in 1897, so it's a Victorian token, and in 1897 was the Queen's Jubilee, or Queen Victoria's Jubilee. And this is actually a token from a beef substitute, beef drinks company, Whoops, let me just... Made very famous by a certain Mr. Jasper Carrot, because he had half-time drinks at Birmingham City Bovril. Yep, it's from Bovril. Hot beefy drink. It's a Diamond Jubilee issue coin. I saw this, as I said, on Facebook. I thought, no, that can't be true, and I went along and I found one on eBay and got it for, I think it was about £2 or £3. It wasn't huge amounts of money, but I quite like it because of me going many times to Birmingham City amongst other football grounds and having a hot drink of Bovril at half time when it was particularly cold weather. So it brought back a few memories for me. I didn't realise though that this particular beef drink had been around in Victorian times, so it's a nice coin, a nice token to have, and one I was absolutely delighted to find once I saw the pictures of it. The last one I've got in this section is I reached out to a fellow coin tuber and said, I've never had any fake £2 coins. You have had quite a few just recently. Can I get one off you? And I've had this wonderful letter in return. It says, hi Steve, one coin for your collection as promised. Stay safe, my friend Dave at NEC. So Dave is from the North East Coins. So the coin that he said he was going to get me, oh yes, of course, the obligatory and very needed on my behalf stickers, and this is what Dave got me. At my request, let me just get those off and put that to one side. The thing that I asked him to get me, as I said, he got a lot of fakes over a very short period of time in £2, and I don't have a fake £2. So I said, is there any chance that you can do me a swap? And he said, no, don't be daft, I don't want anything for it. Here's one of the fakes, and this is one from a 2011 fake. It's a £2 coin. It's the Technologies. Now, there's a very weak strike around the outer brass rim. The inside hologram doesn't exist, or is very poor in its the way that they've done it. And it's also, I have a fake, but I also have one that's got die rotation as well, so it's a die rotated fake. Thank you, thanks Dave. These probably aren't that cheap to buy if I was to try and source one on eBay. If you have a look, without taking it out of its flip, you've got £2 there, so the queen should line up top to bottom as I turn it. And we have a slight die rotation. So not only is it a fake, it's also a die rotation. Brilliant. I can't ask for anything better than that. Dave, thank you so much for this. I'll get a couple of things up to you as soon as I can. And the other one, of course, as coin tubers, we're renowned for signing Benjamin Bunnies, and Dave has very kindly signed one for me. I think this is the second or third one I've got. And I've started my own little collection now, so beware of the coin tubers. I will be coming on to you asking you for a signed bunny or a signed coin, or providing coins for you to sign. I've already got one from Callie, and oh, he says There we go, we got my Cali coins, my Cali stickers in here. I've got the thingy, and there's my Cali coin that he signed for me. So the stickers are going in my sticker and magnet tin, and just for the moment those 3 coins will be going into my tin, waiting for me to put them away properly in the book. I will also take Dave's letter. I have a scrapbook, you see, and what I do with all of those is I will be putting letters. I put letters and drawings and what have you that I get from the other coin tubers into the scrapbook. I'll show you that at some time in the near future. So that ends this particular what was in my post this week. I hope you've enjoyed it, and that you have will give me the thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. You give me the thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel helps the algorithm that allows me to be put in front of people that haven't yet seen my videos. My aim for this year is to grow the channels, so therefore any help in that direction will be greatly received. And I'd love to have you along for my journeys through coins, banknotes, etc. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, I do release 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something to entertain you over the next week. And until we do meet up again on this channel, from me, bye bye now, ta-da.